I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you what app cache is compared to app data on Android, and when you should clear each one. When managing storage on your Android device, you will often see options to clear app cache and clear app data. While both free up internal storage, they work very differently, and clearing them produces completely different results. App cache consists of temporary files that apps download to run faster and smoother. For example, a web browser saves images and web page scripts, while a music app saves album artwork. Clearing your cache deletes these temporary files without affecting your personal settings, login details, or saved progress. It is a completely safe way to reclaim storage space or fix minor app glitches, as the app will simply rebuild the cache over time as you continue using it. On the other hand, app data includes all of your personal files, account information, settings, database files, and saved preferences stored within that app. Clearing app data completely resets the application back to its default state, exactly as if you just downloaded it from the Google Play Store for the first time. You will be logged out of your account, and any local data that is not backed up to the cloud will be permanently deleted. If you want to clear the cache or data for a specific application on your device, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap Apps and then tap See All Apps. Step 3. Scroll through the list and tap the specific app you want to manage. Step 4. Tap Storage and Cache. Step 5. Tap Clear Cache if you want to remove temporary files without losing your settings, or tap Clear Storage or Clear Data if you want to completely reset the application. As a general rule, you should always try clearing an app's cache first if it is running slowly or acting glitchy. Only clear app data as a last resort if an app is completely broken or if you want to wipe your account and start fresh. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.